Hey guys, I wanted to make you this quick video because after watching the 10.15, I took a look at the practice problems and I saw this one, and at first it looked really scary. I kept thinking like, okay, what, I have to take the antiderivative of this to figure out what f is or something, but it's much simpler than that. Anytime you see something in this general pattern, you need to think about the geometric series and that the sum always equals a sub 1 over 1 minus r. And so how could you rewrite that in those terms? Well, this one you could say, it's like saying 1 over 1 minus negative x to the 7th. That's my 2-year-old Luke in the background telling us how to do it. So your a sub 1 would be 1, and your r would just be negative x to the 7th. And in a geometric series, right, defined at n equals 0 to infinity, looks something like this. And it really just is like r to the 0 plus r to the 1 plus r squared plus r cubed, and so on. Well, your r is just negative x to the 7th, so negative x to the 7th to the 0 plus negative x to the 7th to the 1 plus negative x to the 7th squared plus negative x to the 7th cubed. We could clean this up. That would just be a 1. That would just be negative x to the 7th. That'd be compositive x to the 14th, and that'd be negative x to the 21. Now, remember, this whole thing was just f prime of x, and what they're asking for is f. So now, we're not going to integrate this. We're going to integrate this, but it's actually pretty easy to do. Imagine integrating all of this. What would you end up with? Well, the antiderivative of 1 is just x. The antiderivative of negative x to the 7th is negative x to the 8th over 8. The antiderivative of x to the 14th becomes x to the 15th over 15. And x to the 21 becomes x to the 22 over 22. And what do you see? What do you notice? Well, that's A. That's how you want to do these types of problems.